Hey y'all. Yes, I still have some more fingerprints up there, okay? Um, so I haven't updated y'all on my freezer. So I'm gonna update y'all, okay? I'm gonna try to do this in 5 minutes, like I said last time. Last time I did like 9 minutes, probably because I talked too much, but you know, it's all good. If you don't like my talking, just hit mute because there's no crunching. But okay, let's open this up. See what we got going on. I got it too close again? Of course. All right. So this is what we have so far. I'll let y'all tell me how many days we've been doing this. And I know y'all see my joint is on high. But it's not really on high, y'all. Because when I put it, it started acting up. When I put it on low, it would come out. But my joint started basically like shutting off. So, but what I've been doing, I actually been doing something a little different this time. I'm not gonna be like, it don't look like it because it's basically in the same place as usual, but it's actually turned differently. I've been moving my humidifier back and forth, like on each side. And I haven't pulled this top off. I just keep letting it build, build, build. So I don't have a whole bunch of tops in here. The texture that you see is the texture that I actually have. This is the texture that I have. So as you can see, it's not completely hard. I'm trying not to knock off the door ice. It's only a little bit over here. See? But it's probably gonna fall off by the time I finish doing this little video. Let's see if I can move it again. No, it's not. It's not frozen. Really not frozen hard, y'all. It is crunchy though. I didn't want to knock off my edges though. Come on. Let me stick you up here. And for the ones that were asking, I don't know if y'all could tell, but like I said, the texture of your frost is going to get like crunchier and stuff when you have a lot of moisture. So if you keep it down here in this area down low, you're going to get more like just straight fluffy. But if you keep it like up here in the middle, close to the middle or over the middle or high, it's probably going to give you a lot of extra hard pieces you really don't want. I know a lot of y'all, you know, y'all want the crunchy but soft at the same time. So if you want that, like I said, keep it close to the middle, at the middle, or a little over the middle. But if you want a little bit more harder pieces in it, then you can move it down some. But all right, here we go. Oh, I knocked down my piece. Now I'm mad. I ain't showing y'all nothing else. I always messing up something when I show something. Did y'all just scream with me? Come on, sit down. I said sit your butt down. Sorry, y'all. Okay. I don't think I can move it back and forth no more. It's too piled up over here. This piece about to fall off. This is what I want to do. Come on. Come on. We just came out of the hole. I'm going to fill this up. Y'all see that? It's not hard. It's still just enough crunch. Can't do that. I don't know if I should take this humidifier top off, y'all, because it is way high. I think we're gonna go for it, but I really don't want to. I'm being honest. See if I got water in it. No. Yeah. I know, I'm hesitating. I really don't want to break it. See? It's all up on the sides. We got it. How many of y'all was hoping for it to break? I know y'all were. I know somebody was. She gonna break it. Hee hee ha. Hee hee nah. Ah. Alright. Usually put it on the other side. We're gonna put it on this side. And most likely, I think this time I was also thinking I'm not going to just let it build all the way up like I usually do and then eat it till it's all gone. I think I'm going to eat it and keep building at the same time. I think. 'Cause I'm ready to eat and do some videos on here. So I can let y'all see inside without spilling. So, yeah, I got some ice in it, but it's all at the top. It's still being stank. Come on, man. This piece, right? And no, for the people who don't have humidifiers that's wondering, that hole that was there, I do not make that hole for my humidifier. That's the hole that comes up by itself. Oh, I know this frost is about to be. That's the hole that comes up by itself from it sitting in the thing. Y'all see what I mean? It's on low right now, and mine is not pumping. You want to try to lay it flat, y'all. But if I turn it back up, see, it's coming out. So remember, everybody that's seeing this, mine is pumping when I cross this line, because obviously my humidifier is not working well with this section of it, but it's not shooting like it's high, on high. It's actually coming out like it's on low. Oh yeah, I forgot. There is one more thing I want to show y'all. I showed this before in my shorts. I'm going to show it again. Remember, if you're having trouble, let me see. Remember, if you have this one, make sure these vents are cleared out. And there's also one vent underneath that I can't show you, but it's like a one vent, one small rectangular vent. And just by me having it open this long, y'all, it's going to allow me to have some crunchy ice pieces. So far, this is the 4th bottle I use. This is the 4th bottle that I use to get this much frost, and it's 33.8 ounces, fluid ounces. Okay. All right, let's close this baby back up and let it do what it do. I know I can't see. I ain't got my glasses on. Okay, I see it now. All right. Bye, y'all.